if Nelly's on the No Bueno list or not, but this song will always slap. Like, girl, I think my butt getting big. Oh. So take off all your clothes. I am, yeah, so I wanna take my clothes off. It's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes. Does he pass the vibe check? As far as you know, beautiful. We love that because I don't know if he's part of the Diddy squad or not. Nelly, I grew up listening to a lot of like Nelly, Akon. It would pain me to not be able to listen to my man Nelly anymore. He's got so many bangers. So hot. Yeah, so I wanna take my clothes off. Hot in here. So take off all your clothes. Oh wait, what's one of his other bangers? Wait. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Here you go. Look, see? Ooh, where they at? 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 Come on now. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, we three goldies. Oh, why do I live this way? Hey, must be the money. Smoke an L in the back of the Benzie. Oh, why must I feel this way? Hey, must be the money. His songs are slappers. They really are. I don't think that list has been put out yet. She could be 18 with the attitude, or 19, kind of snotty, acting real rude.
We are Cloak and Dagger.
We're gonna fix the Cloaka and the Dagger win rate real quick. Ah, 24. I like the way you brush your hair, and I like those stylish clothes you wear. I see you coming for all over there. If you wanna go and take a ride with me.